All right, good evening, YouTubers. So I got to finish up this computer project. That's what we're doing tonight. It's Friday night, and I got all the parts in. So if you remember, we got through basically all of the install except the graphics card, and I needed a keyboard, mouse, and a monitor. So I got all those parts. So the next up here is I'm going to install the graphics card, and then I got to finish the cabling inside the computer, and then it's time to get this thing up and running tonight. I'm struggling with my old computer, so I got to get this done tonight and be done with it. So let me switch over so I can get a better view of what I'm doing here, and be right back with you. All right, so what we got here is a MSI gaming graphics card. It's a lower end model, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Again, that's all I need. I'm not a big gamer, so this should be plenty of graphics card for me. My old graphics card was just fine in my old 10-year-old computer, so this is actually a pretty massive upgrade from what I actually had. So we'll get this installed. Let's get it opened up here. See what we got. I chose this card because it's supposed to be extremely quiet, and I don't want to hear noise. So that's why we went with this card. It's got dual fans. And the fans are actually supposed to spin down to nothing. While the card is idling. So it's got looks like HDMI DisplayPort, which I'm going to be using DisplayPort, and it's got DVI, but we won't be using that. It's got two fans. You can see that here. And it's an MSI, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and I guess we need to figure out how to install that into this case. So looks like to me it goes up here. So let's see what we can come up with. I'm not sure exactly how this works, but it looks to me like these are supposed to pop out. Two of them anyway. And then the card somehow goes in like this. Alright, it looks like I'm supposed to take all of this off. I already don't like this. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera there. But okay, it looks like that comes off. card goes in somehow like this. And I think I've got the wrong 2 ports off. It's like this one comes off as well. Okay, there we go. All right, looks like that works. Yep. I gotta get these screws back in. So the only thing left after this is install the power cables and SATA cable. I suppose I'll continue videoing that. And alright, this has actually got to come back out. I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. There we go. All right. So this goes back on here. Let's tackle it from this side. I don't like this bracket at all. Not sure why they don't just do it like they used to do it on the inside. This can't be done with 2 hands. It doesn't line up. persuade it a little bit. Drop the screw 4 times. Alright, got that done. Alright, so now we gotta get the cabling finished. Let's take the sides off of this end on this side. See if that helps. And then we'll need all of our cables here. Alright, looks like we got the cables I need here. There's a couple I'm unsure about, but the motherboard is certainly first. So that's this big guy here. And it looks like it connects right up here. And I'll figure out how to tie that up later. Graphics card, VGA. Goes over here. Alright, I think I've got all the cables hooked up. Couple of zip ties. And I think I'm done. So I've got SATA, video power, CPU power, motherboard power. I think I've got all my USBs hooked up. I got the power switch and LEDs. I've got front audio ports. And fans. So I believe that is it. So time to do a smoke test. Thanks for following along. I appreciate all the comments and likes on the videos that I've done on this series. I'll try to follow up once I get the operating system installed and maybe make a couple comments on performance of the computer itself. But otherwise, thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, it means a lot to us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.